Testing 1, 2, 3.
This right here is slick as hell, man. Be careful on that. Right there, that ice. Boy.
Black ice. It'll be me.
I used the broom. You want it?
Yeah.
You want the broom?
Yeah, give me that too.
Yeah.
This is DNR. Holy crap! Holy Moses! That just blew the freaking drone idea.
Alright. 30 minutes to get set up, man.
Yeah. Oh, I'm still not done. I haven't gotten the gun out yet.
I ain't got a gun out either, but
Then I gotta clean it. There's nobody waiting in line, so.
no, I don't think we have to worry about that.
Okay. So. Today, got the 300 Blackout. And we're going to use this Arms Core factory ammunition today.
Close right there.
He's using the reloads.
Pretty close right there. That'd been shot probably 6 months and beat around and banged around, moving it around in the safe. Yeah, good though.
What are we doing over there?
You know. Got to make some minor adjustments.
Minor adjustments.
Yep. But they hadn't been shot in a while. I'm using a different load.
Ooh. Are you warming them up?
Moved around in the safe a bunch.
Gotta warm them up.
Oh, all of it. You know. Total rebuild. Click, click, boom.
I'm shooting these dirty Arms Core 300 Blackout shells. Or that we always thought were dirty. You know. Leave a bunch of residue in your gun.
It's dirty, ain't it?
Yeah, powder residue.
They were cheap, but man, they were dirty.
Dirty, weren't they? Dirty.
Shot a bunch of them.
Yeah, we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see how they do. So, okay. Maybe I'll get out my shooting glasses here.
Try this again.
Uh-oh. Try it again. Good.
Does that mean it's cold when your brass hits the ground and freezes to the ground?
Yeah.
That's cold, ain't it?
It's cold. Come to think of it, I'm going to set mine down in front of the heater.
Let's see where this baby's shooting at. Now, doing some more testing with it. I think we left off.
After that first shot goes off, that second shot jumps.
It happens fast, don't it?
Yeah, it's way up at the top of the target too, always.
Yeah. Your gun hadn't even settled back down yet.
Oh yeah.
Put 4 of them in the bullseye at 200 yards. Probably about half-inch root maybe. Not bad for 200 yards.
Voila.
Not bad for 200 yards. 41 grams.
Yes.
4 of them in the bullseye. Oh, damn, really? Hot food?
Hot.
Oh, shit.
Hot.
Better eat it.
Hot. Woohoo!
Hot food, grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Mmm. Alright, fire no.
Oh, fire no.
Are you going to shoot the new ones?
Yep.
Alright.
Let's see if they double fire.
They got a little bit more powder in them than the factory loads.
Well, then I'll need to change targets on the C-line.
I mean, you may have to adjust your scope a little. Yeah. I can tell the difference in that. I can hear the difference in that. And I can smell the powder now where I couldn't before, all the way over here.
Well, I can see my shot where I couldn't before. So I'm getting closer already. One shell in at a time now. That won't happen.
Yeah, they should be some good ones, man.
Oh, yeah. It already looks like it.
die. I've been trying to pull it way powder and everything out, man. I think I found it. I got some 19 grain ones too. Try a few of them.
Right here, these are a little better than the factory. That's for sure. That's for sure. So far, really more consistent. I don't know. I'm not used to it yet.
Solid. Nothing but muscle, man.
He sure is.
Alright. Fire in the hole.
Oh, fire no.
Are you going to shoot the new ones?
Yep.
Alright.
Let's see if they double fire.
They got a little bit more powder in them than the factory loads.
Well, then I'll need to change target so I can see where I hit.
I mean, you may have to adjust your scope a little bit. Yeah. I can tell the difference in that. I can hear the difference in that. And I can smell the powder now where I couldn't before, all the way over here.
And I can see my shot where I couldn't before. So I'm hitting closer already. Just putting one shell in at a time now. That won't happen.
Yeah, they should be some good ones, man.
Oh, yeah. It already looks like it.
Sounds like it's got a little more thump to it.
Yes, it does.
All right. I'm going to have to make a note of that. I might get that chronograph out and see what it says.
Boom, dead center, 8 inches high. 6 inches high.
This son of a bitch is just shooting bullseyes, man, every time. I like that low 41 grains of tack.
Ooh.
I like it a lot.
That's a
Like to
little
be
more
able
than
to fly
5
it up
to 8.
and be able to see over top of the berms. You know, and
It'll
see
be
what
cool
this
when we can.
I'd like to see what it all looks like from 30 feet up in the air. That would be so cool. Now, it won't go all the way down to the target because that's out of range for the controller.